Hola, I'm back for yet another YouTube video. My name is Jay or Shantae, whichever you prefer to call me by now, and this is a makeup channel where I just normally talk nonsense and show you makeup tutorials. But today we're gonna step aside from the Pirates of the Caribbean theme because I saw a picture and I really want to try an illusion makeup today. So let's us do this. So first things first, like we normally do on this channel, so we blocked out our lovely caterpillars. Then we're gonna go back to our trusty white pencil. I found it again, can you guys believe it? But you can take any lip pencil, eyeliner pencil, as long as it's a pencil and it's easy just to rub off if you make any mistakes. And we're gonna start by drawing out the shape of the illusion. So the illusion I want to try today is just like half face and then just missing in action from the eyes up with a little bit. That is the theory. Let's see if we can make it a reality. So you guys, I don't think you guys can see the outlining on my face, but as we carry on you guys will see the outlining on my face. So we're first gonna start off by adding your foundation shade to the bottom part of your little drawing illusion you created, and then a black aqua paint to that area you want to I don't know how to say it, to give the illusion to it. So let's go. Fun fact, you guys. I broke my chair. But let's continue. So the next step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some white aqua paint and draw in some small little circles that it forms like, I'm not quite sure what. But in any case, and then I'm gonna go and start adding some details to the rest of the face, make it look a little bit more like wood, add some cheeks and lips. So I'm just gonna play around with some detailing in the face now. So now we are at this stage, and then I'm gonna take some black aqua paint again and just I don't know, drip some off, like as if it's coming from out of the something, like, you know. Something like this. And then I morsed on myself. Fantastic. Absolutely glorious. then I'm gonna go, and I didn't have the energy to paint berries onto my face itself, but I did have the energy to go and print some berries. So I'm just gonna go with mastics and, you know, place some berries onto my face. Now, to finish the makeup look, I'm gonna add a wig. But now to add the wig, without destroying the little berries I just placed, is going to be something else. Huh. So dat is het voor de make-up look. Let's take photos. So this is it for today's YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video as something a little bit else. I just wanted to have a little bit of break of the Pirates of the Caribbean theme movie and do something that is a bit out of my comfort zone. So please subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, ring the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at CJ_MUA. Then I'll see you all on the next spooky adventure. So spook out, spookies. Bye.